This is the weather forecast video for Thursday, February 16th, 2012. Let's take a look at the satellite image from last evening. You can see a storm system over the Ohio and Tennessee Valley down into the Gulf Coast, producing some showers and a few thunderstorms there. Another storm developing over the desert southwest. It'll be moving along the Tennessee and Ohio valleys by the weekend. Watch warning map from just before midnight. Some dense fog advisories across the south, southern Missouri, eastern Wisconsin, and some winter weather issues over southern California, Nevada, Utah, and northwestern Arizona. QPF chart precipitation over the next 5 days. This is through Monday evening at 6 o'clock. Shows the heavy rain band from about Corpus Christi and Houston, Texas, along the Gulf Coast through Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, and up into the Carolinas. Let's take a look at the 0Z GFS Model Run. At 6 p.m. this evening, you can see a pretty broad trough over the center part of the country. There's that upper level feature over the northwestern parts of Mexico. That'll be producing some rain and mountain snow there. Our storm system of today is now off to our east over the mid-Atlantic and southeastern part of the country, with seasonal conditions lasting even into Friday with high pressure over the Dakotas. There's that storm moving into Texas and Oklahoma with some rain there, and along the Gulf Coast into Florida. That won't be affecting us. Saturday, to start off the weekend, there could be some clouds over the far southeastern counties with that storm system and low over Alabama, but the moisture and thunderstorms stay there. Into Sunday, be still a delightful weekend with temperatures seasonal, maybe a few degrees warmer, with the lack of snow cover, highs in the 30s and maybe even some lower and middle 40s with mostly sunny skies. But unfortunately, Monday, here comes the next storm, low pressure in the Oklahoma Panhandle. It'll be, we'll say there'll be some rain-snow mix possible Monday night into Tuesday, but the system really splits with most of the precipitation moving through Oklahoma and Texas, with the northern portion moving across our area and being much lighter and more scattered. Even into Wednesday, we have a low pressure developing over northern Mississippi, and here we could have a few flurries or some drizzle, but nothing more than that. A week from today, on the 23rd, pretty decent trough over the eastern half of the country with that storm system in question. We have a northwesterly flow coming in from southern Canada, and that'll keep temperatures a bit cool. Pretty big storm system over the east, however, with a deep low over Quebec and some lake effect snow in that area. And guess what date this is? This is the infamous February 26th, which seems to be a highlight of these videos lately, and you can see some energy over the center part of the country. Look at that. That storm is still there. Low pressure in western Kentucky. Strong winds, snow, thunderstorms, severe weather possible if this is right. So it doesn't look like this storm is going away anytime soon. We head further into this is into the 1st of March, another piece of energy over Kansas and into Oklahoma and Texas. And that storm could be pretty decent, although not as strong as the one on the 26th. The low will be in northern Kansas, a little north of Salina. This will be a lot warmer with some rainfall in our area. And a day later at the end of the forecast, that low deepens rapidly and moves up into Lake Superior. So we could see some rain, followed by maybe some wintry mix, and then changing over to some light snow if this is possible. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one tomorrow.